Now I'm explaining this lesson. Once there was a king named Sindbad. The king was like of raising and hunting, and the king had brought up a falcon as his pet. Falcon is a bird. Wherever the king went, the bird went with him. Even at night, the falcon stayed with him on his fist. Fist means hand. The king, ha- One day the king tied a golden cup to the bird's neck to provide her drink during hunting. One day, when the king was sitting with a leisurely mood, the falcon said, "O king, now the time is suitable for hunting. Let's go for hunting." So the king liked her suggestion, and he suddenly ordered to his subordinates to make arrangement for the hunting. The king set out hunting with the falcon. The king and his men continued to travel till they reach a valley. Valley means a low area between hills. Soon a gazelle, it is a wild animal like a deer, a gazelle was caught within the net. The king cried loudly, "Beware! Whoever allowed the gazelle to escape, I will be punished to death." The net was lifted by the king's men from all the sides. Gradually, the gazelle ran out and moved towards the king and stood on her hind legs. And she then lifted her forelegs and suddenly jumped above the head of the king. But the king was not noticed how the gazelle went away and escaped from. And like that, the gazelle escaped out of the maze. Maze means puzzle route. But then the king turned towards his men. He noticed that the men are talking together. The king asked his wazir, "Oh wazir, do my men want to say something to me?" Then the wazir replied, "Your Majesty, you want know who will let the gazelle escape? You will kill that person?" Then the king replied, "Yes, but now I promise to bring that gazelle back, and until will not return to the palace, I will not catch the gazelle." Saying this, the king galloped on his horse and went to the route that the gazelle had went away. Along that king, the falcon also hunting May flew high up in the air and traced and followed the fleeing gazelle, means running gazelle. And she at once swooped down. Swooped means move rapidly down near the gazelle, and with her talons. Talons means claws. Claws means that is the leg. With her leg, he closed the gazelle eyes like blinded. Then the king immediately struck his mace. Mace is a weapon at the blinded gazelle and ended the matter forever. Like this, the king struck out the throat of the gazelle and removed its skin from the body and hung that spoils on the saddle. Saddle means that is the place, that is the a seat with a raised ridge at the front and back fastened onto the back of the horse riding. I mean that is the seat you're keeping on the horse for sitting. Now it was a midday. Midday means afternoon. The place where they were wandering was free from of any water. They not have any water for drinking. But the king and his horse were thirsty, and the king went further in search of water. Finally, they reached a place where water was dripping through the leaves of a tree. But the king was wearing a skin gauntlet. Gauntlet means gloves, wearing on the hands to protect him from any poison. As the king see that water is dripping from the leaves, Then the falcon have also very thirsty, no? So the king took out the cup that have the cup with falcon took out the cup from her neck and filled it with the dripping liquid. He then placed that cup in front of the falcon for drinking. But surprisingly, the falcon overturned the cup. Overturned means fell that cup instead of drinking it. Again, the king picked up the cup and filled it again and again placed it in front of the falcon. But the falcon upset it again with her talons, means claws. The king was annoyed, very angry. Annoyed means angry at the falcon's strange behavior. Next time, again he filled a cup with the dripping water liquid and placed it in front of his horse. However, he was keeping that liquid in front of horse. Again, that falcon came there hastily and upset it again. Now the king became very furious, means angry, and he enough the falcon he shouted at the falcon in anger, "You unlucky and foolish thing! You are not willing to satisfy your thirsty, not drinking you also, and not allowing the horse to drink it. Why doing like this?" In this uh, fury, the king took out his sword and chopped off the wings of the falcon. The falcon cried in painly, and she indicated the king to look up by raising her head. Just by actioning only, the falcon said to the king, "Please look up. What is there in the tree?" The king's eyes followed the falcon. He saw a poisonous snake laying up above the tree, and the liquid, which he understood as a water, was a drop of the snake poison. The king was very remorseful. Remorseful means feeling very sorry for cutting off the wings of the loyal and beloved falcon. Suddenly he took the falcon and rode on his horse to the palace with the dead gazelle. And when he reached the palace, sat comfortably. The falcon, which was bearing pain till then, suddenly gasped and succumbed to death. Succumb means effect of injury, the falcon death. So looking this, the repentant king, the king feel very sorry. Only by misunderstand he cut off the wings of the falcon, and he cried aloudly to lose his faithful companion who had saved his life. Like this, at last the king felt very sadly. Only because of misunderstanding he cut off his wings, and because of that he lost his faithful companion. That much children understand. Thank you.